similar pieces, but I have actually got exactly the same pieces, and this is insane. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you guys are seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon, so that you can get a notification every time I post a video. And I've been posting video every alternate day, so I think so there are a lot of stuff to binge on. So yeah, also guys, don't forget to check me out on my Instagram account, and all of the giveaway details are gonna be later on in this video, maybe at the end of this video, so do not forget to participate on that as well. Today's video is the most like the highly requested Meesho haul, and I'm here with it. And very nicely somebody like commented down below that they wanted to see Urbanic dupes from Meesho, which was a very good idea. I thought it was a very good idea, and you said, and I am serving it, so I am here with a lot of pieces. So first let's talk about the top that I'm already wearing right now. I'll show you the piece on Urbanic Official. You have this drawstring feature on the sides, and then you have full sleeves, and then this all covered up neck and all of that, and it's kind of a crop top sort of a thing. On Urbanic you will get it from, like, it varies a lot on Urbanic, so you will get around 560 rupees, sometimes for 580 rupees, and sometimes for 460 rupees. It can vary a lot, and I have found this piece on Meesho, and you can see that it looks really pretty. Obviously it is exactly the same style, the drawstring, the sleeves and everything, but just the difference is that this one I got for rupees 450 on Meesho, and I feel like there are going to be sellers who would sell it for even cheaper. Just the difference between the Urbanic and this material is that this is a crepe material. I got this one in my size large, and I think so if I would have gone for a medium size, it would have fitted me very properly. Like, this sleeve would have been like even more sticking and more properly, it would have fitted me. So that's the one problem that I did. So you should definitely go for your own size. Whereas the one that you find on Urbanic usually uses ribbed material, and that's like a thick ribbed material and very stretchy type of material. So that will give you a very like a bodycon look. So it will stick to your body a lot, and it's going to be a little bit thicker and ribbed material.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me.
Let's move to the next piece, which is going to be my absolute favorite from this whole haul. And also the price range difference between the Urbanic one and this one is just so drastically different. Like, you will love it. Okay, so this piece that you see over here, this is a skirt, like a mid-length below the knees kind of a skirt, which looks absolutely great. I love this style. It's not even very short. It can be worn with a lot of things. It's high-waisted, and over here you see it's of 1272 rupees. And I got the same piece from Meesho, like the exact same piece. It's just that I went for a darker color. I did not want to go for a light color. This color instead, this is a dark blue color. This color is looking even better than that one. I don't know why, but I love this color. This is exactly the same thing. You can see a slit in between over here, and then it's all the way buttoned down like this. You can open up the button like completely and then wear it also, or open just the top 3 buttons or something like that. And then at the back it is completely plain. You have this very nice waistline. I got this one in the waist size 28, which is perfectly true to size. And this one is completely high waist, comes above my navel in fact. And this one has this like nice button up over here, and at the back also you have this elastic feature so that you can wear it properly. It also has hoops and all of that, so you can like wear belt inside it. And the material of this one is so damn good. I got this one in Urbanic for 1272 rupees, and I got this one in Meesho at 365 rupees only. Like, what a difference! It's a difference of 900 bucks. Also, you have a lot of other shades of this skirt, so you can get those as well. Again, see a bottom. This one from Urbanic is for 1272 rupees. It is a jogger in tie-dye color, and the color of the joggers is in this greenish, like a sage green plus white. Same joggers from Meesho, and like not exactly the same, like this does have drawstring over here, which I think so the Urbanic one does not have. And this also has pocket features over here and also a pocket in the side, which is a better thing than the one that you see on Urbanic itself. So this one I got for rupees 413 only, like 413 rupees only, which is a good price. And this one has nice elastic here at the waistline, and then you also have elastic in the bottom. The color is exactly the same, the sage green plus white color that you see over here. And also this material is actually cotton blend, and I think so the Urbanic material is usually like it's a little bit of like a ribbed material, and this one I would say that you should size up one size or two size, because the elastic of this one is very tight. So that's why I got one size up, and still I feel like I should have gone a little bit size. And the color options are like insane, like every other color option is available, like orange and pink, and like every sort of color is available. And this is the top that you see over here, which is a white top which has puff over here and also like floral prints in yellow. And this one is for 891 rupees on Urbanic Official. And again I managed to find out the exact same piece, which is kind of insane. Like I did not expect to change. So yeah, this is how the top looks like. It comes in other amazing colors like pink and light blue, and they are like very pretty colors as well. How it is a cropped style, not very cropped. You can wear it with your mid-rise jeans for sure. This has a puff over here. This has the whole net material all over it, and this one is of a small detailing with a lot of elastic in it. This one I got for 386 rupees, and this one I got in the size medium, but I feel like you should size up in one size in this one as well, because this portion is actually like this elastic kind of a small detailing, so it will stick a lot to your chest. So if you want it to be a little bit more loose and a little bit more like comfortable, you can size up one size, or even you can size up two size. Like since I'm a medium size, I can actually go for XL as well. The look of it is very pretty, and the look of this one is very pretty. But for the material, I would say the look of this one is very pretty. But for the material, I would say that since it's like a net kind of material, it can be a little bit irritating in the first few uses, and maybe after that it becomes a little bit comfortable once you wash it. Next piece that you see over here is this yellowish kind of tee that you see over here, which has this print over here. This one is for 742 rupees on Urbanic, and I have got a similar piece for that, but I've gone for a piece which does not have the print written over here, so I couldn't find that print actually. That I got from Meesho, which is a very similar print like the yellow tie-dye top tee. And this one is of a cotton material, very good material, like very lightweight, very nice cotton material. I got this one in the size medium, and this one was for rupees 392 on Meesho, and it also has a lot of color options in like multicolors, in blue color, green color, like there are a lot of colors for this one as well. Now let's talk about the giveaway. The giveaway for the August month is going to start from today, and it's going to last till 30th of August. And I'm going to announce the results on 1st September. And good news is that I'm going to pick 2 to 3 winners. It completely depends, because I see a lot of people are putting a lot of efforts. So it's going to be completely efforts based, and also I will pick 2 winners or 3 winners. It completely depends. And the winning prize is going to be the pieces that you saw in my last Meesho video. I will leave the link down below as well. So all of the tops that you see in the last Meesho video, you can win any of those. I will randomly pick which winner will get what, because it has to depend completely on the availability on Meesho and the website and all of that. All you have to do is to comment down below. I participate and ask more and more people to subscribe to my channel. And also in my Instagram account, I've also made the similar giveaway post. So you can go there, and in the comment section below, you can tag all of your friends who can follow the same rules of following me on Instagram as well as on YouTube, and no fake IDs or something like that sort is going to be considered. And rest all of the details is gonna be down in the description box, so do not forget to check out the description box properly. So well guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. Okay, like I went with the purpose of finding some similar pieces, but dude, like exactly the same pieces. And thank you whoever suggested this to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.